Welcome to Care Crate, a new way to make self care part of your everyday life. Every month feels like unboxing your well being right at your front door. From journals and candles to skincare and more, each box is filled with little ways to recharge and take care of you right at your front door. Sometimes it's as simple as slowing down. Sometimes it's finding your balance. Or making small rituals part of your day. Self care doesn't have to be hard, it can be easy and fun. No matter what self care looks like for you, Care Crate brings it right to your door. Unbox your well being.